Plenty of time can be saved in this question during calculations. Okay. Now there are plenty of ways you can do this question. This is a simple question, a very easy question, but we'll have to look at one way in which we can solve this question with minimal amount of calculations required. Okay. So let's first of all make equations. Now, Girish sold sofa set at a loss of 12% and refrigerator at a profit of 25%. So I'll start by assuming the cost price of sofa set. So cost price of sofa set, let's say as 100x, and cost price of refrigerator as 100y. So loss of 12% on sofa, that means minus 12x. Profit of 25% on refrigerator, that is plus 25y. This will be the overall profit or loss. That is given as, so net loss is 2500, so it is minus 2500. Okay, though you do not require to write this, but I'm still writing it for the sake of understanding. Now, had he sold the sofa set at a loss of 8% instead of 12%? So that means if sofa set would have been sold at a loss of 8%, that means minus 8x, and there is no change on refrigerator, that means the refrigerator will have a profit of 25%, then the net profit would have been 3000. Okay, so now you can solve this equation or whatever. I can say that if this is increased by 4x, or if I take the difference, second equation minus first equation, I can say that 4x is equal to 5500. All right, 4x is equal to 5500. Let's leave it aside. Right, now what they want is the price at which Girish sold the refrigerator. Now cost price of the refrigerator is 100y, and he sold it at a profit of 25%. That means at a profit of 25y. So the selling price of refrigerator is 125y. So we'll have to calculate the value of 125y. Now what I'll do is I will consider this equation. Here the value of 25y will be equal to 3000 plus 8x. I already have the value of 4x, which is 5500. So the value of 8x will be twice of that, that is 11,000. So 25y will be 3000 plus 8x. 8x is 11,000. That is 14,000. Okay. So I've got the value of 25y, which is 14,000. I require the value of 125y, which is 5 times 25y. So 125y will be equal to 5 times 14,000, and that is equal to 70,000. So 70,000 will be the price at which Girish sold his refrigerator, and that will be the final answer for this question. Okay, so just being slightly careful in observing these equations, and we don't have to find out the values of x or y. You must have seen I did not find the values of x and y, still I've got the final answer as 70,000. So that was question number 6. Let's move on to our next question.